Alright, so the new product Traffic Booster has been launched this night, okay, the last night. Okay, so grab this brand new top selling private label rights package. Okay, so private label rights package, I'll explain to you what it is. Okay, it is filled with DFS sales funnels to have an unlimited supply of targeted traffic at your fingertips, just waiting to be converted into sales and profit. Okay, so you can watch a quick demo video here, okay, and it shows you what it is and everything. It's a demo. It's a quick introductory video. Okay, so this incredible product comes downloaded with these amazing benefits. Okay, created by experts in an evergreen niche. Okay, done for you, fully integrated sales funnel, ready-made, high-quality promotional material, start generating revenue today. No technical expertise or special skills required. Okay, driving responsible leads. Okay, here's how you can start making money with this marvelous product today. Okay, so top marketers know that people are running their dream business online by selling the trading products and totally killing it. Okay, you also can start this same thing by getting this product today. Okay, there's so many people selling all this coaching videos and everything. Okay, and it's working out for them. They're making a lot of profit. Okay, you can do the same thing, but you don't have to do it all yourself. You can just buy this for like a few dollars, and you can just sell it as your own thing. You don't need to do anything. You just need to buy it and then sell it as your own brand. Okay, it has a bunch of these features. The link of the website will be given in the description, so you can check it out from there. I don't want to like go into a in-depth review and waste your time. You'll see the website anyways. Okay, so what does it mean for you and why should you buy it? Okay, whether you have a personal blog, business website, or making money through online advertising, today's currency of success relies almost exclusively on the science of cultivating more significant traffic to your website. Okay, the number of visitors to your website becomes the number of opportunities your business has to share its brand, to give an impression, to build a relationship, and so on. Okay, the more traffic to a website, the more opportunities you have to generate qualified leads to nurture and help solve the problem and ultimately sell your product or service, gain a new customer or client, and continue to grow your business. This isn't just about making money. More website traffic in the long run can allow you to grow your business. Okay, so basically it helps you gain traffic, it helps you gain people's trust, it helps you gain customers, expand your product lines, hire more employees, open your locations, invest in research and develop, all that kind of stuff. It will make you really, really rich. It will make you a lot of profit. Okay, but for most marketers, getting the desired traffic is easier said than done. They're struggling to increase the traffic and sales on. Everyone is struggling to do this. Okay, it's a big problem of online business. Okay, you can solve that by buying this product. Okay, just a few dollars has so many benefits you can't beat it. Okay, so let's look at some stats quickly. Okay, 63% of marketers say their biggest content challenge is driving traffic and generating leads. Okay, on an average, for every $92 spent on acquiring traffic, just $1 is then spent on trying to convert it. Okay, it's estimated that 90% of all businesses that fail are because they don't get the amount of traffic they need to succeed and grow. So traffic is like the main thing. Okay, without traffic you will not succeed. Okay, 43% of e-commerce traffic comes from organic product searches, Google searches. Okay, so SEO is a very important thing here. Okay, companies that blog get 55% more web traffic. Okay, so if you're a business and if you have a blog or anything, so you get more traffic through that. Okay, so 57% of businesses have acquired a customer through their company blog. So blog is a very important matter here. Okay, as of May 2020, Google was responsible for 67% of all smartphone search traffic and 94% of total organic traffic. Search engines drive 93% of all website traffic. So imagine how much important SEO is. Okay, 87% of video marketers say that video has increased traffic to their website. Okay, so making YouTube videos like this, like the way I'm doing, increases traffic. Okay, only 43% of online stores see significant traffic from their social media pages. Okay, so social media does work, but not for everyone. Okay, it just depends. So you can just yeah, so the rest of the website again contains the same type of information, so you can go and see it. The link will be in the description. Okay, and let's get to the bonuses quickly. Okay, so like this product shows how you can get traffic. Okay, it's basically like a tutorial which shows how you can get traffic to your business. But then if you're someone who doesn't know what this is about totally, like you're a complete newbie, you don't know anything about online marketing, then I've got a really good bonus for you. Okay, so the thing is they tell you how to get traffic, okay, but they don't tell you what affiliate marketing is. Okay, so to solve that problem, I have this exclusive bonus bundle packaged with this product. Okay, you just need to buy traffic booster through me and you will get this for free. There is no added cost for this ebook. Okay, this is the ebook which gives information on affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is at all, if you're a complete newbie, then this is the perfect bonus bundle you can get anywhere. Okay, you can go and see any other affiliate marketer promoting this product, but mine is the best because I'm giving you the chance to learn about affiliate marketing without you need to buy another coaching program for that. Okay, there are so many coaching programs online which tell you how to do affiliate marketing, but then this one, it's an ebook. It's not a video. It's an ebook, but still, I'm giving you this for free. It has basically the same information but in the form of words. You just need to read it and implement it. As simple as that. Okay, in this ebook you get a detailed explanation on what you need to get started with affiliate marketing, a detailed guide on how to success from ad tracking, okay, how to survive in affiliate marketing, you get keyword search, you get back-end affiliate marketing, okay, how to generate income consistently, search engine optimization and all that. Okay, this is the limited time bonus so take action quickly. So like if after a few sales, 15-20 sales, I'll probably remove this bonus and replace it with something else because this is a limited time bonus. This will not be here forever. So if you're watching this video and if this bonus is still there, so don't make any delays. Okay, go ahead and straight away buy it and subscribe. Okay, important thing, subscribe to our email list for exclusive bonuses and offers which you might not find on YouTube. So make sure you give subscribe. No, we will not spam you whatsoever. It's only asked you. We only ask you your email so that we can forward you emails regarding bonuses and offers. So that's it, I guess. So again, let's take a quick summary of what Traffic Booster is. Traffic Booster is a PLR product, which means you can even sell this as your own product. You can brand it as your own, and it also gives you training on how to increase traffic. It tells you how to get traffic through various sources. Okay, it has a bunch of features. It's a one-time payment product. Okay, you know whether you have a personal business website or whatever, it will help you grow that business. Okay, it's not really costly. Okay, right now it's selling for $7.62, I think. $7, just $7. Now that is very cheap for a product as helpful as this. So go ahead and buy this immediately. If you're seeing this video, don't delay any further. Go ahead, click on the link in the description and go and buy it. Okay, so see you till the next video.